Well, we're at the Old Beach Farmers Market today, July 5th. This is a vegetable stand. There's nobody here. It's void of people. Unless you're in a long line. I don't think we've been farmers market in a couple of years, but I figured I'd bring you along today. 3-pill nitro. This is a breakfast guy, eggs and sausage. Anything you want. My buddy Tommy, seafood guy, he's got a little line. And he goes on from way the hell up there. We got some customers here right now. Look at here, we finally got here. We got action. Vegetable guy, another vegetable guy, a little guy. We got sauce guy. And we got the breakfast egg full quiver. Here's a fairly good sized line too. Everybody's getting a few little sausages and some eggs as they go along. All right, I better go back and get to work. Stand by. You know my buddy Gigmaster, right? He makes these wine bottles. He makes them into spoon trays. He brought me some, wants me to sell them. So far I haven't sold any. But they're pretty cool to put your spoon in. The Gigmaster. He's always got something going on, you know. He's a busy kind of guy. This is what just came in. I had, I think 6 before that. It's like 10 o'clock now. I did 2 sets of restaurant knives. That one's got 14 in it. That one's got like 8. So I've been kind of busy. We'll see what the rest. Oh, I see some more knives coming in. Ah, that's good. Stand by. Well, it's been 45 minutes. We got lots more people strolling in and out of the farmer's market. We had some more. This used to be restaurant knives. The guy retired and took his knives home. Bowser. Taquito. Steady vendors. I mean customers. I don't know how much corn is going. We go down and take a look. I still see some corn down there. We'll get a recap on that later. This section of Virginia Beach is what they call the Vibe. You can see it's full of paintings. People come by and all the artists paint all the pictures on this wall as far as you can see down to 18th Street. They paint the buildings. All the buildings are painted. Not all of them, but most of them. On this particular 2 streets, and this street and that street over. The Vibe District. They got something in this concrete that makes it soft. Believe me or not. You may not believe it, but it is. You see this building's all painted up like this. There's some more down the block that are painted. Oh, not all of them are painted, but I don't know, probably, I don't know, I'd say probably 8 on this street are painted. We got the Honda generator. She's quiet right now. Today we're using 3 41 by 42 inch calamuses. Working 120 here, a Trizac A45 here, and a leather belt here. And that's all we use. Sometimes we change this one to a bit finer grit, depending on the knife. There's the van, the inside from one side. Pretty, huh? I carry everything in totes. I get ready to go home. I just load them up. That's Tommy. He's a knife guru from Virginia Beach. Tommy Bundy.
Smell something wrong.
First name?
I'm Jennifer.
Yes, 757
Leader.
646.
Get ready to go to work. Went out. I think me and the Mumbles man are going out tomorrow, or either Monday or Tuesday for sure. I got an EKG on Monday. I don't think I'll be able to go Monday.
Really?
How we doing?
We got a half hour to go. Line is not like it was. And the corn is just a meager amount left. $1 here, $10 for 10 pieces. That ain't bad, is it? Whole truckload of corn down the river. Heirloom tomatoes. Nice heirloom. I like them. I like heirlooms. Potatoes and taquitos. I like taquitos too. Speaking of taquitos, there's some right here. Well, I'm home. I was home. Unloaded most of my truck. Picked up the firecracker. We're headed to Norfolk to pick up some crab meat. My leader's daughter's in town from New York. We're having crab cakes for dinner. I got to pick up the crab cakes. I mean the crab meat to make the crab meat, to make the crab cakes with. Stand by.
Just over an hour and a half.
Well, I'm home in the recliner. Just got home. Me and the firecracker. We're right here in the recliner. All he wants is his tummy rubbed. He don't care about nothing else. There's a grasshopper. And the firecracker. Use a firecracker. Okay. Be crab caking in a few minutes. Yep. There's the 3 pounds of jumbo. Or I should say the containers. Here's the 3 pounds of jumbo. Mix it up with some mayonnaise, some Durkee's famous sauce, some breadcrumbs, and some mustard.
And a dash of Worcestershire.
A touch of Worcestershire sauce.
And eggs.
And 3 or 4 eggs. We'll have cakes shortly. Some of them are falling apart. The last batch is in the fire. Firecracker is waiting. Grasshopper waiting.